the form coalition came to for the war. At that time, listen, there were some people, some historians report that
Feyiase war?
Yes, some historians report that Borisangwe and Kotoku were part of that war. It is not true.
Okay.
Borisangwe and Kotoku, Nana Ntimyake told them that they shouldn't be part of the war because he alone, his own contingent army was going to just overshadow them.
Okay.
You understand? And the Adontin of Denkyira at that time was Nana Esiametia. Esiametia was Adontin.
Okay.
He was the leader of the Adontin troops. So it was not actually the Kwaman people who brought the war. So Denkyira who took the war to them.
Okay.
So we passed through Jakobu. You know that Jakobu?
I know Jakobu.
We passed
Mansia Central.
You know Jakobu people are Denkyira people?
Oh, really?
Yes.
I know Jakobu.
Yeah, they are Denkyira.
Okay.
So we passed through Jakobu. Passed through Edunku. You know Edunku?
Yeah.
Use the Lake Road to Feyiase.
Okay.
Good. So when we reached there was a time we called Bauro. We killed almost the whole town.
Wow.
Because Valachi has sent a message that the Bauro people, that Bauro and Abuan team, they should be able to hold the Denkyira army for 3 days continuously. And I like to know Isiameti and his entourage. We almost wiped them off the surface.
Okay.
You understand? So during the war, like my reshaping narrated, they sent them to come for gunpowder. Okay. When they came, 19 Jackie was praying over with the wife of Nana Isiametia.
Okay.
So the messenger reported it to Nana Isiametia, and they knew that 19 Jackie was sleeping with the wife.
Okay.
But to play Mankala, Golden